this mission. They didn't even want you to start it, but it began. You connected with the person that you're supposed to be on this mission with. Look at this. You connected with this person. Y'all had a personal fallout, but y'all changed. You hear me? Y'all changed. This your twin. This your twin flame. They gave you that info without even speaking to you. Soul contract. That sound like a mission to me. It's a lot been illuminated. And somebody about to find you. And you know how they gonna find you? Through one of these banking institutional apps. Like Chime or Cash App or something like that. This in reverse. So I'm hearing something about Dapper Dan. Dapper Dan is a hat maker, okay? A hat maker. So this ugly hat, this tarnished crown, okay? These mind games and spiritual games that have been played, all right? Yeah, Proverbs 21, Proverbs chapter 21, verse 31. The horse is prepared for the day of battle, but deliverance is from the Lord. Watch this dialogue. You hear me? Watch this dialogue. A lot of your emotions you've been feeling ain't been yours. They've been your twins, okay? You an empath. I just heard the 10 crack commandments, and I don't know why I just heard that when I just read that Bible verse. It started with an emotional connection, all right? Somebody gonna be forced to look into your eyes, all right? Y'all had a personal fallout. They gonna have to look you in your face, but your face gonna be neutral. They not gonna be able to find any emotions in your face, and that's what they gonna observe first, okay? That's probably where this embarrassment come in at, okay? The candle snuffer. Now I'm hearing I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. You not gonna give up. You're expanding on a spiritual level. Your evolution, your mission, one of your missions is that image that you see with you and your twin, okay? And I feel like this image is like now, daylight, very bright. It's been illuminated to you already, all right? It was shared with you from source, okay? I heard something about those chains and those whips. Y'all go through something every lifetime and a lifetime, cause your twin's light is always snuffed out. God damn it! Oh, y'all, always snuffed out. The time might stop on here, y'all. Okay, but we'll tap back in if we need to. Let success make the noise. Okay. The only commodity that matters to your ancestors is you, and you've been attacked, and your twin flame has been groomed to abandon you. The buck stops here. The buck stops here. White hair. I'm hearing something about white hair. Something about white hair. I'm seeing a lot of gray hair in my head now. God dang it. Your abilities to transmute energy where others are fixated on the problem and not the solution is one of your better qualities. Stay strong, believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up. Work in silence on you too. Let success make the noise. Whether your twin flame, your whether your twin soul, your divine mate has gone through the same harsh realities as you, okay? Now, yeah, they are coming into an awareness that you two were separated on purpose. They gonna have a tan. Your ancestors attacking somebody because they available for this ass kicking. So they sexy, huh? Male or female. You off the block list. That's different too, and it's gonna happen all of a sudden. It's gonna happen all of a sudden. All right. You may get the urge to, want to see if you off the block list after you listen to these messages. No, it's not the end of the cycle, and it's not a one-way street anymore either. A lot has been a dead giveaway. Okay. They know they've been on a shit brick road on this dead end street without you. They know they've been halted. Okay. Something about, their the darkness. All right. The gray cloud, the storm, the storm, what's been dawning on them, or you can see them at dawn, is what I'm hearing. You could have been trying to, reach your twin. Y'all always have telepathic communication, all right? But you could have been trying to reach them on the phone or email them or text them or get word to them, all right? And they've been blocking you, all right? You've been put in a competitive role, and at first they allowed it. Look, and at first they allowed it. Who is this? Is this that dark horse? They got 4 packs of weave in their hair. So look, you're not about to have to pursue them. You're not about to have to pursue them. Divine feminine, divine masculine. You called them in already. You called them in already. The weekend. That shit ain't nothing but another 2 days when niggas act crazy on me. So look, something about a gathering, okay? This cookout or whatever. You might not want to go because you don't have anything to wear. And then it's something about, okay, this could be something that's annually done, all right? And the date is coming soon, and you don't want to go. I always feel like somebody watching me. Listen, slow down, the Jesus saying. Don't try to be as unpleasant as possible. Look, don't do that. Because you about to overtake this energy is what I'm hearing. Period. You're not about to have to squat or stoop to anybody's level. Go wash your clothes. You've already been condemned, but somebody not holding that image in their mind's eye anymore, in their heart or in their energy. They not. But somebody with this jacked up weave, okay? talking about how expensive the hair is. They mad because it's a whirlwind of activity that's about to go on, okay? Just like I said, you know how you want to stand on the side of somebody and give them courtesy so the smoke won't go in their face? Somebody about to, somebody gonna look you in your eyes, right? It could be at the laundromat or something. Spin cycle. While it's on a spin cycle or something. Somebody too embarrassed to look at you. You hear me? In this, the embarrassment is only gonna continue. Who driving the truck? Somebody gonna want to take the long route, okay? They gonna want to take the long route, and you, while your face is neutral, showing no emotion, somebody gonna have a long face, all right? Or their face can be, elongated, all right? It ain't your obligation to go pay homage to nobody, okay? And this path, I feel like you gonna speak your truth. You might cuss somebody out, but your true love is there. You might not even want to jig with these people, this group of people. All right, you might not even want to go to this party or this cookout, but go. Somebody, there's gonna be an adulterer to approach you as well. If it ain't one thing after another, okay. Somebody feel like your crown is varnished, tarnished, okay, and that you done dropped your jewels because you only connect with these karmics when you're vibing low, okay? But you're there to teach, not reach, but teach. You gonna be the hottest commodity. And look, this is coming in. Somebody's landlord will soon be a ghost. Damn, I'm hearing debt cleared. I was about to stop it and they said no. Mm-mm. Next holiday coming up, Mother's Day, Memorial's Day. But the next holiday on the calendar is Mother's Day. You're going to be curious. Somebody is the mother of fables too, is what your female ancestors is saying as well. Somebody just got some ADT or something installed and it's cameras everywhere, some without your knowledge. So these sexual needs, I'm feeling like this feminine energy here is a lesson, okay? A feminine energy who was cursed and who is now curious about your victory moment, okay? They curious about your victory moment because they feel like you're going to be victorious because your name been brought up too much. And somebody is pleased with hearing your name now. Your true love. So I'm hearing your life has been one fallout after the next, okay? But the Most High removing what don't supposed to stay. Somebody gonna try to make the situation worse too. It's gonna be a same-sex couple there, and somebody is a homophobe. All right. But this, I'm hearing too. Yeah, look, you can't substitute your emotions because people, are plagued with an insatiable passion to, you know, criticize and defame is what I'm hearing. Defame, okay, someone because of their honor to their unknown, okay? There's also been some unknown correspondences that you would be told about, that they are embarrassed about. They are not indecisive anymore. Somebody could be a Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. They feel like not having you in their life is too expensive. They want to share their world with you. They don't want they they feel like, they've seen enough. They've heard enough. They've seen enough. They've heard enough. And every word spoken and displayed in an unworthy context is giving them a sour taste in their mouth. It's kind of making them sick to their stomach. The quality of a divine feminine's mind is not under judgment, okay? But it's a curvy woman, she under judgment.